Hi there, greetings from Tokyo, Japan. It's Ren. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Capsule toys in Tokyo. Capsule toys are known as Gacha Gacha or Gachapon. Most of Gachapon machines sell toys at prices of 300 yen and 500 yen. Gachapon cars are usually 1/64 the size of the real cars. They are often made from high-grade plastic and contain detailed molding and intricately painted features. New items are released every month, and you'll be able to check out the latest trends through Gachapon. This one dispenses Toyota MR2. It costs 500 yen, about $3. Next, this one is on the 660. It also costs 500 yen. This one looks very cute. This one dispenses police cars. It costs 300 yen, about $2. This is Nissan NV350 Caravan Ranger vehicle. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have to go now. See you soon.